What's going on, guys? Today I got another video for you guys. Today I'll be working on this 2016 Nissan Rogue, right? So today what we want to change on this vehicle, we want to change the steering knuckle. That will change the rear steering knuckle on 2016 Nissan Rogue. I'm going to show you guys the step by steps on how to do this job. Well, what did I just say? I'm not a mechanic. I just want to show you guys what I can do, all right? So you can also do it by yourself as well. So you just follow me. So guys, this is the steering knuckle, the used one I bought from a junkyard, which I'll be using to replace on this car. You can see I actually disassembled this already. So it's free. I've taken the wheel, I've taken it out all as well. Everything has been taken out. So what I gotta do right now, I gotta jump on that vehicle and also take this one out all as well. So guys, off. You don't have to take the brakes apart. Just take the brake caliper. This bolt, I gotta take that one out. I have to take this one. There's a bolt right here. That one gotta come out, and there's another one down for the lower control arm. I believe you guys can see it. I gotta take that one out too. So. And 1 and 2, we're taking that out, and after that there are going to be 4 bolts under there, which you're going to be taking out all as well. It's super. This job, you can do it, but it's going to be good if you get some support all as well. I'll show you. There's some bolts and the one we're taking out. Guys, just follow me, guys, as we do this. You can see everything is completely out. I just gotta lose the last bolt and I'll take it out. So I'm gonna put a picture. So there's a bolt in there. There are 4 of them. You're gonna be backing out. Oh, that was 17. Guys, you can see everything's falling apart as I'm doing that. So now all I just gotta do is to take this out. So for me to take it out, I have to beat it, with a mallet, with a hammer. I have to beat it out. If you don't beat it out, it's not gonna come out. Sorry, I gotta take this out too, the bolts. So guys, moment of truth. I'm putting everything back together. Everything is going back the way it is now. So just watch as I'm doing it. Now the car is now drivable. It's ready. It's now drivable. I'll show you guys the leg. You see? Now it's perfect. Yeah, it's an awesome job, guys. If you're new to this channel, please kindly consider to subscribe, guys. And I'll see you in the next one.